Today we're going to talk about everything you need to know about home appraisals. I'm Shelley with the Holz Group at Keller Williams Realty. Home appraisals is part of the natural process of buying a home and closing when you're selling a home. So there's some key things to keep in mind because you negotiate an offer, buyers and sellers, but the home still needs to appraise in the eye of an appraiser. So what do home appraisers look for? Well, one of the key features that they really put a lot of emphasis on is finished square feet. So above ground and below ground finished square feet is something that they're going to really focus on. They're also going to focus on your layout. They're only going to compare similar layouts. So if you're a two-story home, they're only going to pull comparables that are two-story homes. If you're a one-story, they're only going to look at one-stories. So keep that in mind when you're evaluating comparables, especially if you're in a neighborhood that comes in all shapes and sizes. You want to look specifically at ones that are as similar to you as possible. Lastly, they look at home upgrades and features, not as much as a buyer would. Home appraisers tend to put more emphasis on size, where home buyers tend to put more emphasis on upgrades, but appraisers will look at upgrades, features, and amenities in a property as well. We're also seeing still in the market waivers of appraisal. So how do you get a waiver of an appraisal in today's market? Well, if you're a strong buyer with great credit and a lot of money down, sometimes we are seeing waivers of appraisals, but that is really on a case-by-case basis, depending on how strong the buyer is financially. So lastly, keep in mind, low appraisals can happen. So you want to be paired with a true professional that can navigate that sort of situation. Your licensed real estate professional should be able to fight a low appraisal and work on your behalf to make sure that they're advocating for the price that got negotiated. If you have any questions on how a home is appraised and or how to appraise your property, reach out. We'd be honored to talk strategy and tips for you. Our number is 651-998-9829.